Tired of your finances feeling like a tangled mess? Let's untangle them by creating a rock-solid chart of accounts in Peachtree. First, fire up Peachtree. We need to access the chart of accounts screen. Usually, you can find this under Maintain, then click Chart of Accounts. Now, hit the New button. This is where the magic begins. Each account you create needs a unique ID and a description. Keep them short but descriptive. Next, and this is crucial, select the right account type. Assets are what you own, liabilities are what you owe, equity is your ownership, income is your revenue, and expenses are your costs. For example, if you're tracking cash, select asset for bills you need to pay. It's liability, thinking of sales. That's income. Make sure you choose the correct one. Consider creating Subaccounts for more detail. Under utilities expense, you can have electricity, gas, and water. This level of detail is powerful for analysis. Once you've filled everything in, hit save. Repeat this process for all your accounts. And that's it. A well-structured chart of accounts will make your financial reporting a breeze, giving you clear insights into your business's performance.